Welcome to aminacademy.com. In polar coordinate system, let us discuss about some introduction about polar coordinate system. Look at this figure. Here, this is x-axis and this y-axis meet at point O. Now, let the point P having coordinate x comma y. In polar coordinates, it is r comma theta. The angle between the line OP and x-axis is theta. Now, in mathematics, the polar coordinate system is a two-dimensional coordinate system in which each point on a plane is determined by a distance from a reference point and an angle from the reference direction. The reference point, analogous to the origin of a Cartesian coordinate system, is called the pole. That is here, the point here, and the ray from the pole in the reference direction is the polar axis. Here OP is the polar axis and O is the pole. The distance from the pole is called the radial coordinate or radial distance or simply radius. Here OP is here radius, and the angle is called the angular coordinate, that is polar angle. Now let us discuss further. Now in triangle OPN, cos theta equal ON over OP. ON is X over OP is R. Therefore, we can say X equal R cos theta. Like that, sin theta equal Pn over OP. Then Pn is Y over OP is R. Therefore, we can say Y equal R sin theta. Now, finding the angle, that is, suppose tan theta equal Y over X. From that, we can find theta equal tan inverse of Y over X. But angles are in radians. Now here the coordinate of point P is here. In Cartesian system it is x comma y, but in polar coordinate system it is r comma theta. Now let us plot some polar points in polar coordinate system. Here look, this point 3 and degrees 150. Here the polar graph is given in terms of angle in radians, angle in degrees, and x-axis distances are there. Now here x is 3 and angle is 150. X means this axis is here 3 distance. Here from that you have to go 150 degrees. This is our point of coordinate 3 comma 150 degrees. Now here this 2 comma minus 250 degrees, so we can convert for positive this one 2 comma here, because it's a minus degree, so we can subtract 360 minus 255, which is equal 2 comma and 105 in positive degrees. So we have to take the radius 2 and come to 105. Here this is so 105, because here 120 plus 90 is 210, divided by 2 is 90. This here the point is this one. Next, three comma 11 pi by 6. Here the angles are in radians. look at this graph of polar coordinates. This 3 is axis is 3 and 11 pi by 6 is here. This is the point of that coordinate, and here minus 3 of 23 pi over 12. Here first let us consider first it is a positive, that means 3 positive 3 of 23 pi by 12. Here for 23 pi by 6 is in between 0 to pi by 6, that is here 23 pi by 12, which means 11 pi over 6 plus 0 divided by 2. Middle of 0 and 11 pi by 6 is 11 pi over 12, which is the point is here, but we have radius is minus, so it is in opposite of that same place. So here this is the point coordinate of that point, means which is minus 3 comma 23 pi by 12. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.